Okay, guys, today we'll do general exercises about systems. Use your copybook to copy everything, please. We'll start with the question 1. Solve the following system. The system is in front of you. Now, here I didn't tell you which way you need to use, right? So here you need to choose which way you will use. You can use substitution or elimination. We have two ways. You can choose one of them. So I will eliminate. I will use elimination. Okay. Why I will use elimination? It's easier than substitution. Why the elimination here is easier than the substitution? Because there is no variable alone, right? No coefficient one. If we have x alone, y alone, here we can use substitution. I can find the value of y. I can find the value of x here. It's okay. But you will have fractions. You will have complicated expressions. But you can do it. So here I will use what? Elimination. I'll use elimination and I'll take a look which variable I will eliminate. Here you have x with 5 and x with what? Now, neither 5 can be 2 or 2 can be 5 in multiplication, right? So I'll use 2 with 8, which is easier. Now, if you multiply the 2 with 4, it will be 8. So, yeah, but I'm here, I'm talking about absolute value. يا ابني لا تحكي من غير إذن. لا تحكي من غير إذن. So here, I said 2. I didn't say -2. I don't care here. Because 2 by 4, 8. -2 by 4, -8, which is what I want here, right? So here, to determine or to choose the variable which you need to eliminate is very important. Because if you choose x, here you need to multiply with 2, and here you want to multiply with 5. So you multiply 2 times, but you will get the final same answers. But here, if you multiply 1 time with 4, you will get 8, which is what I want. So I will name the equations. Copy with me, please. This is 1. This is 1. Okay, this is 1, and this is 2. I'll multiply equation 1 by 4. So equation 1 multiply by 4, it will be equation 1. Now, when you have a number with a circle, this is the name of the equation. It's not a value, okay? So equation 1 multiply by 4. Let's multiply. 4 by 5x, 20x, right? 20x. 4 by -2, -8y equal 4 by 1, 4. Now, the second equation stays the same because I want the 8y. I don't want to change it. So 2x plus 8y, 2x plus 8y equals 7. Now, when we add, when we subtract, yes, yeah. We subtract. So here we have -8 and +8, different signs with the same number. We add the two equations. If we have the same signs of the same number, we subtract, because same number, what you will do between them to make it 0? Minus. صح? So here I have different signs. I will add the two equations. Now 20x plus 2x, 22x, -8 plus 8, gone, 0, equal, comes down, 4 plus 7, 11. So I'll divide both sides by 22 to find what? X. So x will be half. 11 divided by 22, it is half, right? You can use 1 over 2, you can use 0.5, it's the same. So now we found x, we need to find what? Y. Now find y, substitute in equation 2 or 1, whatever. Equation 2 or 1. Why I choose the equation 2? ركز الآن. Why I choose the equation 2? You can choose equation 1. It's the same. You can substitute in 1. You can substitute in 2. You can eliminate x. You can eliminate y. You have a lot of choices. But sometimes you need to get the answer with the easiest way. So why I choose x equation 2 here to substitute x half? Yes. No. Yes. No. Why? Why I choose to substitute in 2? Yes. No. No. 5 multiply half. 2 point, يعني 5 multiply 1 over 2, 2.5, right? 2.5 decimal. But here 2 multiply half. 1, which is easier to deal with. 1. صح ولا لا؟ فهمنا ليش؟ يلا. So you substitute in 2, replace x by 2, it will be 2 times half plus 8y equals 7. Now 2 by half 1, put it there, 7 minus 1, so 8y equal 6. Divide on 8 both sides. So y will be 6 over 8. Simplify. Divide by 2 up and down. It's a 3 over 4. So the solution of this system is what? X and y are half and 3 over 4. Assume you substitute in the first one. Assume you substitute in the first one. The value of y should be also 3 over 4. It's the same. Okay? Copy these steps. 2 by half. Come 2 by half. Push it there. Minus 1. 7 minus 1. 6. Now divide both sides by 8. Then you have 6 over 8. Simplify 3 over 4. Yes. What? Again, what? هذه? The name of the equation. You don't understand what, Ibrahim? Exactly. Yani, tell me what you don't understand. Which step? Yani, when I say equation 1 multiplied by 4, do you know why? I'm asking you. Do you know why I choose to multiply equation 1 by 4? Why? No. Who know why I choose to multiply? الله يرفع ايدك اللي عارف يرفع ايدك. Who knows why I choose the equation 1 to multiply by 4? اشمعنى 1 واشمعنى 4 يعني؟ اللي عارف يرفع ايده بس. اللي عارف، اللي مش عارف خلي ايده نازله. هناك اخر 2 محمد وهناك ليش انتوا مش عارفين ليش عملنا multiply by 4؟ عارف ارفع ايدك، ما انا بحكي عربي. عشان تصير equal 8. ليش 8؟ نزل ايدك والله. عشان نعمل elimination. فهمت ليش؟ طب انت ستيب 1 ما فهمتها صح؟ ما كنت فاهمها. ليش ما سألتني عنها؟ سهلة صح؟ ركز الله يسعدك. انا بسألك جاوبني. انت ستيب 1 ما فهمتها. ليش خليتني اكمل وما تفهم ستيب 2؟ لانك انت مش فاهم ستيب 1. ومش حتفهم ستيب 3 لانك مش فاهم ستيب 1 and 2. فهمت؟ ليش تخليني امشي؟ قول لي مستر دقيقه انا مش فاهم ليش ملتبلاي باي. فهمت يا ابني الواحد كيف بده يفهم؟ Thank you. Copy. Copy quickly, please. Now look here. Mister, here. We multiplied by 4. The 5x will be 20. The negative 2y will be negative 8. The 1 will be what? 4. Now the second equation, I put it below it here. Now add, because we have different signs. 20 plus 2, 22. Negative 8 plus 8, 0. That's why I choose to multiply it by 4, to make it 0. Right. 22x, 4 plus 7. Now we need to find x. Do you know how we find x? We divide both sides by 11. If you find the value of x, go and choose 1 or 2. Substitute x. I choose 2 to make it easy for me. Then find y. You know how to solve linear equation? Yes. Done. Done. Copy quickly, please. Don't forget your quiz in Saturday and Sunday, sorry. Yes. خليني اسمع زميلك والله. بصير انت بتحكي كثير، انت بتحكي كثير. ما تقول له انت بكلاس. What again حبيبي? Which way? Where? طيب replace x by what? By the value which we found here. 1 over 2. I put in place of x what? Half. 1 over 2. Then simplify. 2 multiply 1 over 2. 1. Do you know how to multiply 2 by 1 over 2? 2 multiply 1, 2 divided by 2. 1. Right? Then we shift the 1. You did that a lot with Mr. Shadi, right? يلا هذه 1. Shift it here. 7 minus 1. We shifted the 1. هاي مش هذه 1 هذه. Shift it here. It will be 7 minus 1, 6. Divided by 8, both sides. Got it? Goodbye. Done? Done. Type. Two. Solve absolute value of 4y plus 12 equal negative 6y plus 4. Okay, here if you remember we have absolute value. Now in the absolute value, first you need to be sure that it's alone, right? And here it's alone. At this case, if you remember, we did this idea. If absolute value of x equal a, then x can be a or x can be negative a, right? We apply it here. So here I have two side solutions. Either 4y plus 12 equal the same negative 6y plus 4, or 4y plus 12 equal negative with this negative 6y plus 4. صح؟ لازم Absolute value can be positive and can be negative. So you need to make it so the first thing positive, the second part, sorry, positive, the second part negative. Yeah, sure, we change. Now we simplify. Yeah, mister, we simplify, we simplify. Oh, لازم. I will, mister, I'm not finished. I didn't finish. Ah, this is all. هاي التيتشر شو اسمك؟ مستر ايش؟ مستر هاشم. Ask him. Absolute value can be positive, can be negative. If it's number there, for example, 8, 8, negative 8. Expression, no, make it the same and put negative parentheses. Don't forget that. Now simplify each part of them. Simplify. How we simplify? Here we have variables in both sides. Put the variables in one side, put the numbers on the other side. So here 4y plus 6y equals 4 minus 12, right? Now here 10y equal negative 8. Divide on 10. من حكى؟ ما تحكي. لا تحكي. Equal divided by 10. Done? So here simplify. Y will be what يا سامي؟ إنها سهلة. يلا. Negative 8 over 10. Simplify your answer. Y will be what? لا. بطلت سهلة هلا صح؟ Yes. Negative 4 over 5. We divide in 2 up and down. Its simplest form. You took it in grade 5. See? So negative what? 4 over 5. This is the first value of y. The second value of y, I will take it from this one. Yes. Mister, this is linear equation with variables in both sides. You took it a lot before. I'm not explaining in new lessons. I'm revising things you took it years ago. So if you don't know how to make 8 over 10, 4 over 5, this is a disaster. Really. Done? So here, variables in both sides. ما أخذ variables in both sides before. What you do? If you have variables in both sides, what you do? I did what you said. Then simplify 4y plus 6y, 10, 4 minus 12, negative 8. Find your value. It's easy. ليش هيك مكبرين الموضوع؟ Yeah. Now يعني معناته انتوا يعني خليني بس عشان الواحد ياخذ رأي. طيب here first step, distribute the negative. It will be 4y plus 12 equal positive 6y minus, now 4y minus 6y equal negative 4. 4y minus 6y negative 2y equal negative. So y will be 8 positive. Y equal 8 positive. Done? Both. Yeah. Either this or this. 4 by ايش 8 كم Negative 6 by 4 how much? Negative 6 by 8. Negative 44 كله صح? And this is should be what? Positive. So here, what you will do here? You substitute this. Substitute this here. It will be positive, right? صح؟ جرب. Negative 6 by negative 4 over 5, it will be positive, whatever. Because negative times negative, right? But here, if you substitute a, this will be what? Negative. But the absolute value can be negative. The absolute value can be negative. No. At this case, شو بنحكي هون؟ طلع شو بنحكي. شو يعني ignored? Ignored solution. شو يعني؟ يعني أنت طلعت solution but it's not real. It is not. It won't be make logic here. Why? Because the absolute value cannot be what? Negative. خلاص? So if you have two solutions, but we didn't do the substitution in numbers, right? We have here مثلا number like 9 without, this is linear expression, right? يعني for example, if you have this one, absolute value of 2x plus 5 equal 8. Here we didn't substitute the solutions, right? Because this is always what? Positive. But here, not always. It can be positive and it can be negative. That's why we need to check our solutions, right? Here I check this one and I have the absolute value equals what? Negative. That's why I wrote what? Ignored solution. It is a solution but ignored because it's not correct. Got it? But by our steps is all correct, right? And I have solution. But this solution is what? Ignored. That's all. Here, you did it? Yeah. Yeah, ignore. If I bring for you this example as a multiple choice, focus now. I will put for you 8. I will put for you negative 4 over 5. I will put for you the two solutions with each other. And I will put else, for example. You need to choose this one if it's just where the substitution. أيوة. Ignore, not acceptable solution because the absolute value cannot be negative. But if there is no absolute value, يعني this equation, see, look here. معلش انتبه. هذه ال 8, focus guys. This 8 is a solution for this. Got it? يعني هي solution لهذا. So it is a solution, but not for the whole equation, the original equation. Got it? Yeah, but let's just with the substitution. Yeah. And here, exact, positive both, right? Yes. Done. So this one acceptable, this one not acceptable. It's a solution for the linear. Here not. Done. General idea. Remember this very well. طيب. طب let's 3 solve by substitution. Negative r plus t equal 5. Negative 2r plus t also equal 4. I'll use what here? Substitution. R, T. R and T. So negative R plus T equal 5, negative 2R plus T equal 4. Okay? Done? And here I will use what? Not elimination. So here I want you to use substitution in the question. So you cannot use the elimination. Okay? So let's name the equations. This is 1 and this is 2. And let's search about a variable to find the value of it. You can find R, T, and T. صح؟ يعني مش معقول تترك الR هذه والT وتروح على الR هذه. Why? Because you need to divide on negative 2 at the end to find the value of R, right? So let's find this T from equation 1. To find T, shift the negative R here. It will be 5 plus R and substitute. So from equation 1, T will be 5 plus R, right? T equal 5 plus R. This is equation what? 3. صح? Different equation. So from equation 1, I brought equation 3. What I will do now? Substitute 3 in 2. Yeah. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Replace T by what? 5 plus R. So equation 2 will be negative 2R plus parenthesis for the T, which is 5 plus R, all equal 4. صح? طب now simplify. So this is equal. What we have here? Negative 2R plus 5 plus R. I didn't put the parentheses here. Why? Nothing before. Positive. قبل شوي شو كان في قبل البارنتسز؟ Negative. I need to distribute it, right? But here I have positive 1. If you have a number here, distribute the number. You have positive 1, won't be affected, right? So here 5 plus R, negative 2R plus R, negative 1R, negative 2 plus 1. How much? Negative 1 R equal 4 minus 5, right? 4 minus 5. So negative 1 R equal negative 1 means R equal what? 1. Divided negative 1 both sides. Now I found R, I will find T. Now, yalla, replace by 3, it's ready. So T, substitute in equation 3. T will be what? 5 plus R means 5 plus 1, which is 6. T equals 6. Huh? Which T? والله لحظة شوية عشان أفكر بجواب أجاوب. هاي إيش هذه؟ وهذه شو اختلفوا عن بعض هذول؟ يعني في تي وفي تي نوع ثاني مثلا؟ يا ابني the same variable هذا. T, the same variable. So what you mean by your question, which T of them? طب معناته طلع نعد كم T عندنا على البورد. 1, 2, 3, 4 صح؟ و5. عندنا 5 T's على البورد. صح؟ Right? Which one of them? اشمعنى؟ يعني يا ابني the value of T is what? Sorry, 6. So here you substitute 6. Here 6. Here خلاص T6. Done? Now, what you need to do is to check your answer by using these two variables in these two equations. يلا, negative r كم? Negative 1 plus t, which is negative t plus 6, 5. And here negative 2r, negative 2 times 1. يعني negative 2 plus 6, positive 4. This is what we want, okay? Done. Copy? Copy? Yes. Go. فهمنا. تذكرنا الاليمينيشن، تذكرنا السبستيتيوشن، تذكرنا الابسوليوت فاليو. اوكي. اهدى بالله شوي. done writing. يلا. quickly please. طب if you want to use elimination here, is it ready for eliminate? Yes. Just subtract them. Subtract them. If you subtract, t will go, right? T will go. صح؟ هنا؟ No, it is positive 1. Negative r equal negative 1, right? Divide both sides by what? By negative. So both will be positive. Done? Done. طيب. Let's ايش ماله؟ Stop talking. Which question now? Which number? 4. Question 4. Solve 3 multiplied by 2x plus 9 plus half multiplied by 4x minus 8 all equal 55. This is linear equation, right? You need to simplify all expressions in front of you by distributing the 3 and distributing the half. Then add, subtract until you have the value of x, right? So let's simplify. Let's distribute the 3 first. So first you distribute the 3, you distribute the half, then you simplify. 3 by 2x, 6x plus 27. Now half of 4x, 2x, half of negative 8, negative 4, all equal 55. Now the like terms together. صح? 6x plus 2x, 8x. Now 27 minus 4, 23, all equal 55. Now two-step equation, right? Shift the 23, 8x equal 55 minus 23, which is 32. 32, right? So 8x, a subtraction. 8x equal 32. Dividing 8 both sides. X will be 4. Now let's substitute here to check our answer, right? Yalla, 2 by 4, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 times 3, 51. 51. حط على جنب هاي 51. 4 by 4, 16, right? Minus 8, 8. Half of 8, 4. 4 plus 51, Yeah, you can. What? يلا لا بعطيك example. Solving for a variable. طيب نهدى بالله شوي please. طيب question 5. اهدى يا ابني رهيم، اهدى. solve h equal vt minus gt to the power of 2 for v. Here the idea is solving for a variable, right? Solving for a variable, you need to do steps until you have at the end v alone equal, right? Yani you want to replace h by v. Got it? So here to find v, bring the negative gt power 2 here. صح? Shift. So h plus gt power 2 equal what? vt. I want v alone. I'll divide by t both sides. So divide on t here, divide on t here. So v equal h plus gt power 2 all over. نقدر, we can simplify, and you can say equal h over t. You can say h over t plus gt power 2 over t. gt power 2 over t. Now this t can cross with t equal h over t plus gt. But this one, now at the end I want the value of v. Is this value for v? خلاص. But other books, other ideas, they will say simplify your answer. Write your answer in the simplest form, for example. You need to do more. But for me, this is enough. Just find the value of v. I solve it for v. Did I do the question? خلاص. The question wants us to solve it for v. I found value of v. خلاص. Yes. من هون ضغطتوا من لكم. لحظة بالله يا ابني. لحظة. الباور 2 من الكويستشن. ايه. t with t. Here you have two t's. t power 2 يعني t multiply t. One of them gone with the other. Still one t. Here no power 2, see? Got it? Huh? Had is simplified, yeah. That's all. Huh?